In this lecture, we will learn what is machine learning, how it helps machines to learn from data, and how it connects with artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a way to teach a computer to learn from data without writing all the rules. In the past, people had to tell the machine every step, like if the color is red and the shape is round, it's an apple. But with machine learning, we give the machine many examples of apples and bananas, and it starts to learn by itself. It looks at all the pictures, finds patterns, and makes its own rules. Over time, it gets better and starts to make correct guesses, just like a child learning by looking and noticing. Let's take John Deere as an example, a US based company that builds machines for farming. Their machines collect data from fields, like the health of plants, the condition of the soil, and the weather. The system studies this data again and again. It learns when is the best time to plant seeds or water the crops. The more the machine learns, the smarter it becomes. The farmer no longer needs to tell the machine what to do every day. It has already learned from the past. Now let's look at Zoom, which many people in the US use for video calls. Zoom has a feature that removes background noise. It can block out dogs barking, fans blowing, or people talking in the background. This feature works because the system was trained on thousands of sound examples. It learned how human voices sound and how other noises sound. It keeps the voices and removes the rest. That's machine learning too. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. So what is machine learning doing in all these examples? It is not just following rules, it is learning from past data and getting better over time. This learning process is what makes modern tools smart. We do not need to say artificial intelligence every time because in most tools we use today, it is actually machine learning doing the real work. Artificial intelligence is the big idea. It means making a machine act smart. Machine learning is one part of that idea. It is the part that helps the machine learn from data. In many apps, websites, and machines, the smart part, the part that learns from past data and improves with time, is not the full AI system, but just the machine learning part working inside. For example, when a music app learns what kind of songs you like, it's not the whole AI thinking, it is the machine learning model inside the app that is studying your choices and giving suggestions. The app might look smart, but the smart learning is done by machine learning. Machine learning works silently in the background. It watches what people do, collects that data, and then uses it to make better guesses or decisions next time. It does not need to be told every step. It keeps learning by itself. That is the main difference. AI is the full system, but machine learning is the part that helps it keep learning and getting better. So, this is a simple explanation of what machine learning is, how it learns from data, and how it quietly powers many smart tools we use today. See you in the next lecture.